Guys, real quick, have you ever had RGB rock lights on your truck or your ATV? Well, now you can put them on your house, thanks to Life, which is the sponsor of today's video. These are available right now in 50 feet or 100 feet, and if you click the link below, you can save 10% on your purchase, but it's only for a limited time only. They're very easy to install. You just wipe the surface clean and stick on the lights using a really strong 3M stick divided tape. There's way more options than I've ever seen available as far as light patterns and designs go. Guys, you won't be disappointed with this purchase. I've had them installed for like two months now and I still love them. They're awesome. Use the link in the description below to save 10% on your order. But hurry guys, because it's only going to last for like a month, that discount. Now let's get into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's another day. We are headed to a used car lot. A Kingdom Auto is the name. You know, if you're doing mobile mechanic like me, it's good to do business with used car lots because they do keep you busy when it's slow, and like this is a slow week for me, so I'm grateful to have work at this car lot because it means I can still make money. When you are working for yourself and business is slow, it's way different than when you're working for someone. You're still either guaranteed a paycheck or counting on them to get to work for you. When you work for yourself and it's slow, you have to figure it out. So that was my way of figuring it out. I do business with used car lots. And for right now, that works. You know, when it's not working no more, you figure something else out. But I've been doing that for a year now, and it's been working out pretty good. So we're heading there now. I believe they have a Dodge Ram. They believe the Schrader valve is leaking on it. I don't remember if it was the low side or the high side. So we're going to check that out. Probably evacuate the system and change out the Schrader valve and then pull a vacuum on it and recharge it, and that should do it unless it has another issue they don't know about. So here we go. Alright, so this is the low side Schrader valve that's leaking right here. There's no Freon in the system, so I don't have to worry about that. So we're going to swap it out. I had a few extra ones laying around my house that I'm going to try first, and if none of these fit, then we'll head to the parts store. Pressure in there. You can hear it hissing. Taking my time because I still hear a little pressure in it. Doesn't seem like a lot, so I think we'll be okay. Grab a little needle nose here. Hopefully we can. Okay, so it worked. Alright, this little baby one might do it. Okay, yeah, so it does look exactly the same. See if we can get some of that oil, refrigerant oil on our gasket here, so we can lube her up a little bit. Alright. Set her in, tighten her down. And I'll probably run about a 15-minute vacuum pull. And we'll throw some Freon in it and see what we got. It'll work just fine. We already got our high side connected. Connect our low side here. And then we'll connect our vacuum pump. Gonna get a suction going. We're gonna close off the vacuum line and see if it holds. So I was working on this little guy. He injured himself on my window trying to get out. Either that or he's scared. Alright, birdie, fly away. Oh boy. Okay. Guess I gotta deal with this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. It's been running for like an hour and 37 minutes. Because I decided to just let it run while I go pick up some Freon, and then I wound up grabbing lunch. So it's got a good vacuum on it. So now what we're gonna do is turn it off and let it sit for about 5 minutes just to make sure it holds vacuum. That way we can verify that it's not leaking in the system anywhere. So I'm just going to close the valve to the vacuum pump, but everything else is still open to the gauges, so let's see what happens. Alright, so we got a good vacuum held here, so we're gonna go ahead and start charging it and put Freon in it and see what happens. Looks like it takes about, that was automatic, 1.37 pounds. Let's do our conversion. I just use Google to convert from pounds to ounces. So 1.37 pounds puts us at 21.92 ounces, so roughly about a can and a little more than a can and a half, because each can is 12 ounces and obviously 12 times 2 is 24, so easy enough. Because we're at a safe pressure where we can start it now, so. Go ahead and disconnect my high side. Take that out the equation. Then I'm going to open it up here and dump it.
empty out our lines into the system. Now I can go ahead and disconnect the low side. This will be moment of truth. Blown cold, sure valve's not leaking no more, so I think we're good here. We're gonna clean up and finish up, and that's gonna be it for today. I thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. It really supports my channel and it helps you to catch all the videos if you enjoy this kind of content. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.